Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix Facebook featured photos issue. When you try to upload Facebook featured photos, you don't see that feature on your Facebook. Now we'll open Facebook, we'll refresh and scroll down, and then we'll click on edit public details. Again you have to scroll down, and here you will see featured only, and try it. You won't see here Facebook featured photos issue. Now we'll teach you how you can fix this issue. You have to close Facebook, go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to apps, and you have to uninstall Facebook application. And now you have to uninstall this application. Uninstall this one, click on OK. Once you will uninstall Facebook, then you have to download and install this Facebook application. The app link you will get in the video description. You have to click on the title of the video, and then you will get this application link. You have to use this Facebook application. Click on install, and then you have to open Facebook. Now you have to log into your Facebook account. Click on login. Now you have to go to your Facebook profile, scroll down. Here you can see now our Facebook photos feature is now visible. You have to click on edit public details, scroll down, and here you will see featured photos. You can now add featured photos on your Facebook profile. You have to click on edit, and you can add your featured photos on your Facebook profile. Here you can see our Facebook featured photos feature is now working fine. In the same way, you can also fix Facebook featured photos issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.